The Advaryu places a seed for Hotru and calls him. The Hotru priest sips the water, passes through the Pranita and Utkara and stands at the west of the Ahavaniya, which is faced towards east. The Advaryu takes one kindling stick from the fagot and gives a call to the Hotru priest for reciting the Samidhini verses. The Hotru asks permission of the Brahman priest for reciting the Samidhini verses. The Brahman priest, having murmured his japa formulas, allows the Hotru to recite the Samidhini verses. The Hotru priest, with folded hands and touching with his right leg the north buttock of the altar, murmurs the japa formulas. After the japa of the Hotru, the sacrificer takes a spear in his hand and requests the Hotru to recite the Samidhini verses, joining them with each other. The Hotru then recites 11 Samidhini verses. He repeats the first and the last verse 3 times, thus making 15 verses out of a group of 11 Samidhini verses. While reciting the Samidhini verses, the Hotru pauses after the recitation of the first half of the verse. He then utters Om at the end of each verse and joins it with the half of the next verse. The Advaryu offers the enkindling sticks on the Ahavaniya fire while the Hotru utters Om. He offers all the remaining fire sticks, sparing one for the Anuyaja, when the Hotru recites the 9th verse, namely Samidhyamano Dhvare, etc., at the 11th stick.
Hotra Khadamam Krutva Hotarehi Aganaye Samidhyamanaya Varuhi Brahman Samidheni Navakshami Prajapate Nubruhi Jatnan Devata Vardhanavakasya Prishthedamanostu Saptarikinakum Skritam Yatra Lokastatre Manjabnan Jadamanjalehi Om Anubruhi Om Namaha Pravatre Namo Pavatre Namo Drashtre Namo Nakshatre Kaidam Navakshati Saidam Navakshati Kaidam Navakshati Kaatvir Jankarshati Saatvir Jankarshati Rucha Prapade Jajuh Prapade Sama Prapade Brahma Prapade Nartan Chandasam Mataram Prapade Bhuhu Prapade Bhuaha Prapade Swaha Prapade Bhurbhuaha Swaha Sarvam Prapade
Idamaham Panchadashena Vajrena Bhratravyamobadhe
हविखमन्तो घृताच्या देवाञ्जिगातु सुन्नयों प्रोवाजाभिद्यो हविखमन्तो घृताच्या देवाञ्जिगातु सुन्नयों प्रोवाजाभिद्यो हविखमन्तो घृताच्या देवाञ्जिगातु सुन्नयों अग्न आया इवीते गृणानो हव्यदाते निहोता सच्छिवरेकों तन्तवा समिद्भिरङ्गिरोघतेन वर्धयामसि पृच्छोचाजिविष्टयो सनः प्रभुश्रवाजमत्सा देवी वाससि बृहदग्ने सुवीर्यो मीडेन्यो नमस्य स्थिरस्तमाग्नोऽसि दर्शितः समग्निरिद्धते व्रखो गणः समिद्धते शोनदेव वाहनः तग्हविखमन्त ईडतो रखणन्तवापयं रखणः समिधीमहि अग्ने दीदितं रहोमग्निन्दूतं रणेमहे होतारं विश्ववेदसाम् अस्य यज्ञस्य सुक्रतो समिध्यमानो अध्वरेऽग्निः पावकेड्यः शोचिखकेशस्तमेवः समिद्धो अग्न आहुतदेवान् यक्षस्वध्वरा त्वग्निः हव्यवाडसो माजुहोतादुवस्यदाग्निं प्रयत्यध्वरे व्रणेध्वग्निं हव्यवाहनम् आजुहोतादुवस्यदाग्निं प्रयत्यध्वरे व्रणेध्वग्निं हव्यवाहनम् आजुहोतादुवस्यदाग्निं प्रयत्यध्वरे व्रणेध्वग्निं हव्यवाहनम्.
After the recitation of the Samedini verses, the Hotru recites the Nivit formulas, namely Agne, Maha, Asi, etc., and invokes the deities for participation in the Purnamasa Ishti with the Anuvachana formulas.
अग्ने महां असि ब्राह्मण भारत भार्गवाचावनाप्नुवान् औरवाजामदग्न्या देवेद्धा मनवेद्धा ऋखेष्टुतः विप्रानुमदितः कविशस्तः ब्रह्मसघोषितः घृताहवनः प्रणीरजज्ञानां रथीरध्वराणाम् अतूरतो होता तूर्णिर्हव्यवाट् आस्पात्रञ्जुहुरदेवानां च मसो देवपानः अराम् इवाग्ने नेमिर्देवां स्वं परिभूरसि ॐ अग्निमग्न आवह सोममावह अग्निमावह अग्निखोमौ आवह अग्निखोमावावह देवाम् आजपाम् आवह अग्निहोत्रायावह स्वं महिमानमावह आचवह जातवेदः स्वेजाचयज.
The Advaryu fans the Ahavaniya fire with the Veda 3 times and sits to the north of the Ahavaniya fireplace. He then offers first Aghara libation with ghee by Sruva to Prajapati. He offers this libation in a continuous straight line beginning from the northern joint of the Paridhis and at the north of the Ahavaniya fire, ending towards the east.
वेदेनाहवनीयं त्रिरूपवाच्यो पूर्वमाघारमाघारयाः मनसा ॐ स्वाहा
The Advaryu hands over the spear and the Idhma cord to the Agnidra priest and gives him a cord to cleanse the fire. Accordingly, the Agnidra cleanses the Ahavaniya fire. Coming to the west of the Ahavaniya, the Advaryu places his folded hands on the ground of the Vedi and pays respects to the gods. And to the southern side, with his palms turned upwards to the Pitrus, the ancestors, he then washes his hands.
Agnimagni Samriddhi.
ओम अग्ने वाजयित्वा जन्त्वा सरिक्षन्तं मा जयितग्निं सम्मार्जमि ओम अग्ने वाजयित्वा जन्त्वा सरिक्षन्तं मा जयितग्निं सम्मार्जमि ओम अग्ने वाजयित्वा जन्त्वा सरिक्षन्तं मा जयितग्निं सम्मार्जमि तूष्णीमुपरि
नमो देवेभ्यः सदा पितरेभ्यः अपोपस्पृश्य.
The Advaryu lifts up the Juhu, the Upabrit, and crosses the altar and stays towards the south of the Ahavaniya. Facing to the northeast, he offers the second continuous straight Aghar oblation, beginning from the southwest corner and ending towards the east to Indra. The sacrificer also speaks a formula for offering the libation to Indra. Not allowing the ladles to touch each other, the Advaryu crosses the Vedi and comes to its north. He pours few drops of ghee from Juhu into Dhruva. He then places the Juhu on the Prastara and the Upabrit to its north.
मे भूयास्तमस्कन्नमध्यदेव आज्यं संह्यासं विष्णुमात्मावकृतम्. ओम वसुमती मग्ने तेच्छायां नमस्तेकं विष्णो स्थानमसीत. तैर्ज्योत्युत्तराधारम्. ओम इत इन्द्र वीर्यमकृणोदूर्ध्वोधरास्तात् अग्नेर्होत्रं वेर्दूतमोतान् त्वान्द्यावाब्धिवेवत्वन्द्यावाब्धिवे शिष्टगतीन्द्र आज्येन हविषाभूत् स्वाहा.
इदमिन्द्राय नमः.
असर्गस्पर्शयन् ध्रुवासवनत्ति. ध्रुवात्मसमनक्ति संयोजका ज्योतिः विधायो.
The Advaryu stands at the west of the Utkara facing east with the spear and the Idhma cord in his hand. Making the Hotru stand to his south, he utters, O Shravaya. The Agnidra, standing to the north of the Advaryu, with spear in his hand, responds with Astu Shrau Shat. Thereafter, the Hotru utters the rishis of the sacrificer and recites the Nivid formulas, beginning with Om Devetho Manvithaha, etc. And the formulas for invoking the deities. He recites these formulas, dividing them into 15 sections. The Advaryo then recites the formulas containing the pravaras of the sacrificer for choosing the Hotru priest. The Hotru priest then recites the formulas in response, touches himself and washes his hands. He then touches the right shoulders of the Advaryu and the Agnidhra priest with his palm with stretched fingers. The Advaryu and the Agnidhra sit down when touched by the Hotru priest. The Hotru priest then cleanses his mouth with the Idma cord. He takes a blade of grass from his seat and throws it away to the southwest quarter. He washes his hands and sits on his seat. He recites a formula and moves little to the north.
Idmasannananyadayo अग्निर्दैवो देवा होता रक्षित विद्वान चिकित्वान मनुष्वत भगवत भरतवत शवनवत आपनवानवत उर्वत जगदग्नवत ब्रह्मणवदात रक्षित ब्राह्मण अस्य यज्ञस्य प्रावितारः होतामानुखाः
ओमेनस्वादेव समित्रवृणदेग्निग्होत्राय सह पित्रा वैश्वानरेणाग्ने पूखं बृहस्पते प्रचवद प्रचजज वसूनाग्रात्रौ स्यामुद्राणामूर्व्यायाग्ं स्वादित्यादिते स्यामाने असो जुष्टां मध्यदेवेभ्यो वाचमुद्या संजुष्टां ब्रह्मभ्यो जुष्टां नराशग्ं सा यजदद्यहोत्रोर्येजुं चक्षुः परापतत अग्निष्टत्नुराभ्या जातवेदायुजरक्षिणिः ॐ खणमोर्वीरग्निस्पाद्यग्निश्च पृथिवी चापश्च वातश्चाश्च रात्रिश्चेदेतामा देवता आर्ते गोपायन्तु आत्मालम्भः उदकोपस्पर्शः ॐ इन्द्रमनमारभामहे होद्रुवरे पुरोहितं माजेनायुक्तमग्निं स्वदेव अङ्गिरसो दिवाम् ॐ सम्मार्गो सम्मा प्रजया पशुभिर्ब्रह्मवचसेन च वृद्धि ॐ अपमार्गो पापेन च वृद्धि ऐन्द्रीमावृतमन्वावर्ते ॐ निरस्तः पाप्मा सहदेन यन्विग्मः उदकोस्पर्शः ॐ इदमहमरमावसोः सदने सीदामि विश्वकर्मौ स्तनूपा असिमामोदोखिष्टं मामाहिग्ं शिष्टमेघवां लोकः.
Gazing at the Ahvaniya, the Hotru recites the formulas technically called Srigadapana formulas. When he recites the formula, namely Ghrutavati Madhvaryo, which is constituted in the Srigadapana formulas, the Advaryu takes the Juhu and Upabhrit, crosses the altar, and stands to the north of the Ahvaniya facing the northeast. He then offers 5 prayaj offerings in the Ahavaniya fire to 5 deities, namely Samidhaha, Tanunapat or Narashamsa, Idaha, Barhihi and Swaha. The Adhvaryu holds the ladle at the height of his navel. Each time the Adhvaryu utters O Shravaya, and the Agnitra priest responds him with Astu Shraushat. The Adhvaryu then asks the Hotru to recite a Yajja formula. The Hotru priest recites the Yajja prefixed with Aguhu, that is Ye Yajamahe, and ending with Vashat. The Adhvaryu then offers a libation. The sacrificer also recites the formula for the offerings.
Om Agnirhotave Tvagnerhotram Vetupravitragn Sarude Jaman Devata Jognihotaram Rathaha Gradavati Madhvarajo Sujamase Svadevam Vishwavarami Davahe Devani Renyanamasyam Nivasyam Nijamayadnyan.
Now follow the Ajya Bhag offerings. first to Agni and second to Soma. The Advaryu sits near the altar and pours the drops of ghee left in Juhu after the Prayaj offerings on the Dhruva and the cakes assigned to Agni and Agni Shomo and on the Upabhrut also. While seated, he gives a call to Hotru priest for reciting the Puronvakya verse for the first Ajya Bhaga offering to Agni. Accordingly, the Hotru priest recites a Puronvakya verse. The Advaryu draws ghee with Sruva from Dhruva into the Juhu. He draws ghee with Sruva from Ajyasthali and pours it into the Dhruva. This he does 4 or 5 times. The Advaryu then stands up, crosses the altar and addresses the Agnidhra with a call, O Shravaya. After the Agnidhra responds him with Astu Shraushat, the Advaryu gives a call to Hotru for reciting a Yajya verse for offering the first Ajya Bhaga to Agni. The Hotru priest recites a Yajya verse prefixed with Ye Yajamahe, that is Aguhu, and suffixed with Vashat call. While the Hotru recites the Vaushat, the Advaryu offers the first Ajya Bhaga offering to Agni at the northeast corner. The sacrificer also recites the formula for the first Ajya Bhaga offering.
इत्यजुभाविघारायाः ध्रुवायाः हविखः हविखः उपभृतश्च आज्यभागौ ॐ अग्नये बरोहि
अजनिरदसराणि जङ्घनद्रविणस्मिरविपन्यया सनिद्धशुभ्र
सूर्याय उपसरस्मिन् चतुर्था ओम आप्यायमान्ध्रुवागतन्यज्ञा सूर्याय उदोदित्य उपस्थूर्धरा पृथ्वीजन्यस्मिन् चतुर्थः ओम आप्यायमान्ध्रुवागतन्यज्ञा सूर्याय उदोदित्य उपस्थूर्धरा यज्ञस्मिन् पञ्चमः खष्टं ध्रुवायाम् अतिक्रम्याश्यामयः अग्निं जजेति ओ श्रावय
अस्तु श्राव खट्
अग्निं जजो
जगामहे अग्निं जुभाणमग्निराज्यस्य वेतु
Similar procedure is followed for the second Ajya Bhaga offering to Som.
ॐ सोमाय बरूहि
ॐ त्वग्ं सोमासि सत्पतिस्त्वग्ं राजोतमित्रः त्वं भद्रो असि क्रतुः
चतुर्थः ओम आप्यायमान्ध्रुवागतन्यज्ञा सूर्याय नित्यपुष्पवृदायज्ञस्मिन् पञ्चमः कृष्णं ध्रुवायाम् अतिक्रन्दाश्राव्यः सोमं जजेति ॐ श्रावय अस्तु श्रोखट् सोमं जजो
जयामहे सोमयुखाणः सोम आजस्य हविको वेतु खट् सोमाय नमः प्राणापानः
The Ajabhaga offerings are followed by three principal offerings, namely portions of cake to Agni, portions of ghee to Agni Shomo, and portions of a cake to Agni Shomo. After the Ajabhaga offerings are offered, the Adharyu crosses the altar from the south to the north, comes near the cave, sits down and gives a call to Hotru to recite a Puranavakya verse for offering portions of cake to Agni. Hotru recites the relevant Puranavakya verse. The Adharyu draws ghee with sruva from Achasthali and pours it into the chuhu. He then cuts portions of cake from the middle and eastern part and places them into chuhu. He again draws ghee with sruva from Achasthali and pours it on the cake portions taken into chuhu. He also pours ghee on the parts of the cake from where the portions have been cut off. The Adharyu then crosses the altar and goes to the south of the Ahavaniya fire and recites a call to Agnidra with O Shravaya. The Agnidra responds with Astu Shrauhat. The Adharyu then gives a call to Hotru to recite a Yacha verse. Accordingly, the Hotru recites a Yacha verse with Avuhu and Vaushat. At the utterance of Vaushat, the Adharyu offers the portions of cake to Agni in the blazed Ahavaniya fire. The sacrificer also recites the Tyaga formula.
ॐ अग्नयेन बरूहि
ॐ अग्निरमोर्धा देवः गगोत्पतेः पृथिव्या अयम् अपाग्रेताग्निसिजिनवतो
ॐ श्रावय
अस्तु श्रोखट्
अग्निं जजो
जयामहे गिरिं भोजन्यस्य दशश्च नेता जत्रालयुग्भिः सचषे शिवाभिः दिविमूर्धानन्ददिखे सुरखाञ्जुभामग्ने चक्रखे हव्यवः
Similar procedure is followed for offering the Ajya to Agni Shomo. However, the Puranavakya and Yacha formulas are recited in low tone.
ॐ
शृणुतं रखणाहवाम् प्रतिसोक्तान्यहर्यतं भवतन्नाशुके मयः
अग्नि होमो जजेति ओ श्रावय
अस्तु श्रोखट्
अग्नि होमो जज
The procedure for offering cake portions to Agni Shomo is exactly the same as was followed for the cake offering to the Agni.
ओ अग्नि होमाभ्यामनुब्रूहि
ॐ अग्नि खोमा सवेदसा सहोदिवनतङ्गिरः सन्देवत्रा बभूवथो
ओ श्रावय
अस्तु श्रोखट्
अग्नि होमो जज
ॐ जे जजामहे अग्नि होमो जुवेतानि द्विरोचनान्यग्निश्च सोमसकृतमधत्तं युवक्ं सिन्धुक्ं रविशस्तेरवद्यादग्नि होमा विमुञ्चतगृहीताम्बोखट्
The principal offerings are followed by Svishtakrut offerings. After the last principal offering to Agni Homo is made, the Adharyo crosses the Vedi, comes to the north, sits down and gives a call to Hotru to recite a Puronvakya verse for Svishtakrut offering. Hotru recites the Puronvakya verse. The Adharyo anoints the Juhu with the ghee drawn from the Ajjasthali with Sruva. He then cuts off the portions from both the cakes from their northern sides. He anoints the oblation portions taken into Juhu with the ghee drawn from the Ajjasthali with sruva. He crosses the altar and moves to the south of the Ahavaniya and gives a call to the Agnidra with O Shrava as before. The Agnidra also responds with Astu Shraushat. Adhvaryu then gives a call to Hotru, priest, for reciting a Yajja verse for Svishtakrut offering. The Hotru priest recites the Yajja with Aguhu, that is Ye Yajamahe, the relevant Nigata formulas and Vashat call. The Adhvaryu then offers the oblation to Agni Svishtakrut. Sacrificer recites a Tyaga formula for this Svishtakrut offering also. All the priests and the sacrificer touch the water.
ॐ अग्नये सृष्टकृतेन बरूहि
ॐ प्रेद्धो अग्ने दीदि पुरो नजश्रया सूर्म्याजविष्ठ शशवन्त उपयन्ति वाजो अग्ने वीतमानि हव्याजस्रो वक्षी देवतातिमच्छ प्रतिरे सुरभि निवेन्तु खट् सर्वेषां तपोपस्पर्शः न भवति।
The Adhvaryu places the Juhu over the Prastara bunch in the Vedi and the Upabhrit at the west of the Juhu. With the spear in his hand, he sprinkles with pranita water the passage through the altar. He then takes in his left hand the Prashitra plate. He anoints it with ghee from Ajjasthali. He cuts off small pieces of the two sacrificial cakes from their upper part and places them into the Prashitra plate and covers it with a sleeve. He takes the Prashitra to Brahman priest and hands it over to him. He then sips water. The Brahman priest gazes at the Prashitra and takes hold of it. He lifts the pieces of the cake with his thumb and the ring finger and consumes the same without touching with teeth. Having consumed the Prashitra portion, he washes the plate with water and the Utkara. He touches his navel and sips water.
संचरमभ्युक्षो राशित्रमवद्यकी यवमात्रं पिप्पलमात्रम् आग्नेयात् भागांश्च संचरेण ब्रह्मणे प्रदायो
ॐ वितरस्य तवा चक्षुषा प्रतीक्षे देवदेवस्य तवा सविदो प्रसवेश्विनोर्बाहुभ्यां मोष्णो हस्ताभ्याम् अग्नेश्वार्थेन प्राश्नम्
पात्रं रक्षाल्य नाभिमानते
ॐ जाप्सन्दर्देवता सायिरग्निशमयन्तु स्वाहा गदञ्जलरुद्रस्य गच्छगतीमावेर्मातुं रक्षाः ऊर्ध्वं मेणाभेः दीनेन्द्रस्य तवा जठरे साधयामि।
The Advaryo anoints the surface of the Ida Patri with ghee drawn from the Ajjasthali. He then cuts off the portions from the two cakes from their southern side and from the middle and places the portions in the Ida Patri. He pours the clarified butter Ajj over them. He also places on the Shadavatta plate the portions from the two Purodasha cakes for Agnidra. He also cuts the portions from the two cakes for Brahman and places them at the beak of the Dhruva ladle. He also cuts off big portions from eastern side of two cakes for a sacrificer and places them in vessel either of wood or metal. He puts this vessel towards the east of the Dhruva on the sacrificial grass.
अधवयुरपुष्पश्यो इडां पञ्चावर्तां करोति
इडापात्युपस्तारः दक्षिणतः मध्याच्च दक्षिणतः मध्याच्च शिष्टगद्वराज्यम् ब्रह्मभागं ध्रुवायाः करोति यजमानभागं ध्रुवायाः पुरस्तात् वरेषु
The Advaryo then takes the Ida Patri and hands it over to the Hotru priest. Not leaving his contact with the Ida Patri, the Advaryo goes around the Hotru and sits before him facing east. He takes the Ida Patri from the Hotru priest. With Sruva, he draws the ghee from the Ida Patri and anoints with it the middle and upper joints of the second finger of the Hotru. The Hotru then anoints his lower lip with that ghee dripping from the lower joint of that finger and his upper lip with the ghee dripping from the upper joint of that finger. He then sips water.
इडाहोत्रे प्रदाय विसृजन अवजिघ्रते के ऐडेनाज्येन होतुरंगुलिपर्वणे अनत्ति
ॐ वनस्पतीनाथे उदस्याश्नामिखे प्राणाय ॐ वाचस्पतेनाथे उदस्याश्नामि ऊर्जे उदानाय
The Advaryo places 4 portions of the Purodasha placed in Ida on the palm of the Hotru. The Hotru himself takes the 5th portion.
प्रथमः द्वितीयः तृतीयः चतुर्थः होता स्वयं पंचममादत्ते.
The Advaryo then hands over the Ida Patri to the Hotru priest. The other priest and the sacrificer touch the Hotru holding the Ida Patri. While Ida is being invoked, the Hotru priest holds the Ida Patri at the height of his face. He invokes the Ida with the formulas first in low tone and then in loud tone.
इदां सर्वान् वारम्भन्ते.
ॐ कुहूतग्ं रथन्तरग्ं सह पृथिव्योपमाग्ं रथन्तरग्ं सह पृथिव्याभयदा मुकुहूतं वामदेव्यग्ं सहान्तरिक्षेणोपमां वामदेव्यग्ं सहान्तरिक्षेण भयता मुकुहूतं बृहत्सहदिवोपमां बृहत्सदिवाभयता मुकुहूता गावः सहर्गभावुपमां गावः सहर्गभाभयन्ता मुकुहूता सप्तहोत्रातौ मेनाध्वरेणोपमाग्ं सप्तहोत्रातौ मेनाध्वरेण भयता मुकुहूतेडा ततुरिरुपमा मेडा ततुरिरुभयता मुकुहूतः सखा भक्ष उपमाग्ं सखा भक्षो भयता मुकुहूतग्ं हेगुपमाग्ं हेगुभयता मुकुहूतोऽग्निरुपहूतः ईडोपहूतोपहूत ईडोपास्मानीडा भयता ईडोपहूता.
When the Hotru priest begins reciting in loud tone, the sacrificer divides the cake which was assigned to Agni into 4 parts and places them on the sacrificial grass. He then places the 4 parts at the 4 different sub-corners, beginning from the southeast, and assigns them respectively to Brahman, the Hotru, the Advaryo, and the Agnidra priest. He then touches these 4 shares and invites the priest to rejoice their share. The sacrificer then hands over the share to each of the 4 officiating priests. He also hands over the Shadavasta portion to Agnidhra. When the Hotru priest recites Upahutoyam Yajamanaha, in the process of invoking the Ida, the sacrificer recites a formula beginning with Maidam Indra, etc. The Hotru priest continues the recitation of invoking the Ida in loud tone. After the invoking of the Ida is completed, the priests exit through the Pranita and Utkara. They sit in a clean place, partake the portions given to them by the sacrificer, and also the portions from Ida. They then sip the water. Then they sit towards the west of the altar and sprinkle themselves by 2 strainers. The Advaryu places the 2 strainers on the prastara. The Advaryu then gives the portions of the Brahman and the sacrificer to them. Both place their portions on the sacrificial grass. They shall consume their portions later.
ब्रह्मविन वंशवायु में दुष्वा प्रजा में दुष्वा पशु में दुष्वा ब्रह्म में दुष्वा किशो में दुष्वा जो उस्मान विचिंत पैमस्वच्छा पशुभिरा प्रियाय स्व तंचतुर्धा कृत्वा बले कीर्तिभ्य आदिशतः इदं ब्रह्मणः इदं होतुः इदमध्वर्योः इदमग्निध्रः अपसव्यम् ॐ अत्र पितरो मादयध्वं यथा भागमावृकाय धर्म आमी मदन्त पितरो यथा भागमावृकाय गदा सव्यं कुलभूवस्पर्शः एकेकमा हरति इदं ब्रह्मणे आहरामि इदमहोत्रे आहरामि इदमध्वर्यवे आहरामि इदमग्निध्रे आहरामि मानवे घृतपत्नितमैत्रावरुणे ब्रह्मादेव कृतोपहूता देव्यात्मरेवोभूता मनुष्याः ज इमं यज्ञमवान्ये च यज्ञपतिं वर्धानुपहूते द्यावा पृथिवी पूर्वजहृतावरी देवी देवपुत्रे मुपुहोतो यजमानोत्तरस्यां देवेज्यायामुपुहोतो भूयसः विकर्णमुपुहोतो देवामयुतज्ञो हर्षुखन्तामिति तस्मिन्नुपहूतः मयिनमिन्द्र इन्द्रियं दधातु स्मान्द्रायो मघवानः सचन्दम् अस्माकं सन्त्वाशिखः सत्यानः सन्त्वाशिखः
प्रथमं सर्वे इडाभागं प्रासेत् अनन्तरं चतुर्थाकरणभागम् ॐ उपभूता पृथिवी मातोपमां पृथ्वी माता भयता
मग्निराग्निध्रात् स्वाहा ओम उपहूतो द्यौपितोपमां पितो द्यौपिताभ्यता मग्निराग्निध्रात् स्वाहा
सुधाधरण भागम व्यासेत् ब्रह्मा विक्रमेण ऐष्ठिक पवित्रेण मार्जयन्ते ओम सुमित्रिया आपो पथया सन्तु
ओम सुमित्रिया आप औषधयः सन्तु ओम सुमित्रियान आपो हृदया सन्तु
ओम सुमित्रियान आप ओखधयः सन्तु
ओम सुमित्रियान